All right, so right here we have the Helix V18. This is a 20 channel DSP, 18 channel amplifier. We didn't have a real model for this so that we could start mocking up the amp rack and planning the wires, routing and everything. So I had to draw one with as much details as I could possibly include. So right here I had the power inputs, speaker inputs, RCAs, the rest of the RCAs in the back, and then all the other ports. So this really helps us out so that we can really plan how all the wiring is gonna go. I think JT's in the other office right now mocking up the P1, so let's go and see how he's doing. Oh, so right here on the tailgate, this blank plate right here, it's supposed to be for the camera. So we're gonna redo this in actual carbon fiber. So JT, he's making this so that we can mount the camera right there. The customer, he upgraded to the carbon fiber wheels. So he's not gonna really be able to mount the factory wheel back here anymore. And then over here, these are our new blockout plates. So these are the blockout plates for the Hummer EV SUV, and they also work for the Hummer EV pickup. And then this right here is our speaker adapter. So it's a 3D printed speaker adapter for the Gladen 8-inch mid-range or mid-bass with some foam rings. And again, this does work for the Hummer EV pickup and SUV. Let's take a look and see what JT's doing. What's up, JT? Are you done? You need more time? How's it coming? What do we got?
Oh, I'm chilling, bro. See? I don't know about yours, but this one looks freaking cool. I'm very proud of it.
Looks all right.
Looks all right. This fucking guy. Look at this. Bam.
Let me see this. Oh, wow, that's pretty on point.
Look at that.
Can you flip the backside?
Yeah.
Sick.
I mean, I don't know that we really need to have the optical inputs and all the...
But it helps. It looks cool.
It looks cool,
It
but...
lends to the cool factor, bro.
All right. Well, I'll add it. But, you want to see what this thing's going to look like when we're done?
Yeah,
I'm going to show you.
Let's take a quick peek.
Look at that.
Okay, so you did a little sheet metal work, I see.
Yeah, but we're gonna talk about this in the next video. Keep you guys entertained.
Nice. Looks good.
Yeah. But it's only possible because Red Bull makes it possible, bro. By the way, pro tip, okay? Do not use a metal caliper on these amps. A friend of a friend told me that they get scratched. You don't want to do that.
Bro, that sounds like it was spoken from experience, but I'll take your word for it.
He was a friend of a friend. Peace.